Newfoundland and Labrador's offshore oil resources are amongst some of the least carbon-intensive in the world. Still, industry, researchers and government are united in finding new ways to continue reducing greenhouse gas emissions even further. One area currently in the early stages of R&D in Newfoundland and Labrador's offshore is powering new developments with renewable energy.
Around the world, we're seeing a trend towards electrification. Specifically, countries like Norway are electrifying their offshore oil and gas facilities, and in doing so, they're reducing their greenhouse gas emissions. Currently, Growler is doing an assessment of Newfoundland and Labrador's offshore to see how we can participate in this global trend. In doing so, we're assessing key risks that we've identified and developing a roadmap towards electrification of offshore facilities to see how we can participate in a lower carbon future.
The project that we're working on is looking at the feasibility of offshore floating wind to offset some of the greenhouse gas emissions that may be associated with offshore oil and gas production platforms. We're working with our partners CCOR and NOSO to look at some of the environmental challenges associated with offshore wind and also to look at our supply chain capabilities here in the province. We know as a global community that we need to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. INTEC-C and our partners are excited to be part of this project to explore one of the avenues in which we may achieve this.